Greetings and hello everyone. Today we're going to be solving multi-step equations for a third day. So we have this problem. So example 1, I have 3x plus 30 equals 4 times the quantity x minus 2. So there's a lot happening in here. So we're going to use an acronym that's going to help us out. It's friends don't come into algebra met. And what does this acronym stand for? So this is fractions. This is distribution. This is collect like terms. This is isolate the variable. This is add or subtract. And then multiply or divide. And you'll notice that the last two on here are what we did in day 1 and day 2. We just didn't need the rest of the list because we weren't using all these items. So if we look at our equation here, we do not have any fractions, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to cross it off. Pretty much we're going to treat this list just like we did with PEMDAS. We're going to go down the list. When we come across something, we'll apply it to our equation. If we don't have it, we just cross it off. Next up is distribution. So I'm going to distribute this 4 to both the 1x and to the negative 2. If there's no number in front of the variable, we know that it's a 1. So this is going to give me, I'm not doing anything on the left, so I'm just going to copy it down. 3x plus 30. And on the right, I'm going to go 4 times 1x, which is just 4x, and 4 times negative 2, which is negative 8. So I've done the distribution, so I can go ahead and cross this off. My next step is to collect like terms. I have no like terms in this problem. On the left side, I only have a variable and a constant or an integer. And on the right, I only have a variable and I have an integer. So no like terms to collect. Next up, I want to isolate the variable on one side. I currently have it on the left and on the right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of my smaller variable. 3 and 4, 3 is going to be my smaller variable. So I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. I'm not doing anything with the 30 and the negative 8, so I'm just going to go ahead and bring those down so I don't forget about them as I'm solving out this problem. 3 minus 3 is 0. We bring down the 30. Equals 4 minus 3 is just going to be x, and then you bring down that negative 8. So I've isolated the variable, it's only on the right side. Now I want to add, subtract, and then multiply and divide. And when I look at this, I have it being subtracted by 8. So the opposite of subtraction is addition. I'm going to add 8 to both sides. Again, I'm not doing anything to this x term, so I'm going to go ahead and just bring this down so I don't forget about it as I'm solving this problem. Negative 8 and positive 8 give you a 0. 30 plus 8 more is 38. And I'm done. I have nothing left. I have 1x equals 38, and that's what I want as my final solution. So let's take a look at another example. So example 2. So I want to solve negative 4 times the quantity x minus 2 equals 3x plus 15. So again, I'm going to use our acronym, friends don't come into algebra mad. And I'm going to start off with fractions. This problem has no fraction, so I can go ahead and cross that off. Next up would be distribution. So I'm going to distribute that -4 to both the 1x and to the -2. So -4 times 1x is -4x. -4 times -2 is +8. I'm not doing anything over here, so I'm just going to bring that all down. 3x plus 15. Distribution is done. On the left side, I do not have any like terms. On the right side, I do not have any like terms. So I've collected my like terms because I don't have any. Now I want to isolate my variable. And when I look at my two variables, my smaller one is going to be the -4. So I'm going to add 4x to both sides. I'm not doing anything with the 8 term, so I'm going to bring that down. I'm not doing anything with the 15 term, so I'm going to bring that down as well. -4x and +4x is a 0. Bring down the 8 like we said. 3 plus 4 more is going to be 7x. And then we brought down the 15. So we've isolated the variable on the right side. Now I want to add subtract. So I'm going to subtract 15 from both sides. I'm not doing anything with the variable term, so I'm going to go ahead and bring that down so I do not lose it in my problem. So this is a 0 right here, leaving me with just 7x. 8 minus 15 is -7. So I'm almost done. I want to undo the multiplication or division. In this problem, it's multiplying. So I'm going to divide both sides by 7. 7 divided by 7 is just 1. -7 divided by 7 is -1. So the solution to this equation is -1. Go ahead and review through the two problems that we did today and have a great day.